How to get mending in Minecraft. Let's get started. Today I'm going to show you the ultimate guide on how to get elusive mending enchantment. First off, head to any nearby village. Villagers are your best bet for finding mending. Ring the bell to gather all the villagers into their homes. Now keep an eye out for a villager without a job. Here's what a jobless villager looks like. If you can't find out naturally, don't worry. You can simply destroy their workstation and they'll become jobless. Block off the house to ensure the villager doesn't escape. Now it's crucial that you haven't traded with this villager before. Otherwise, this method won't work. Next, craft a lectern using 4 wooden stabs and a bookshelf. Place it near the jobless villager. Once placed, the jobless villager becomes a librarian. Right-click on the librarian to see their traits. If you don't see mending, don't worry. Simply break the lantern and place it again. Repeat this process until you see the mending enchantment among the traders. There it is, the coveted mending book. Now trade with the librarian using 1 normal book and 28 emeralds to obtain it. And just like that, you have the mending enchantment. The best part, this librarian will keep offering mending indefinitely. And that's a wrap on our guide to getting mending in Minecraft. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more Minecraft tips and tricks.